Solve a given system of inequalities. X is greater than equal to 3 and y greater than equal to 2. This is a very simple question. Look here. Here these two lines are given to you. This you can draw direct also. Look here. This is a x-axis and this is a y-axis. Look here. Here is x greater than equal to 3 means we can mark here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Here we can mark 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now x greater than equal to 3 equal to means we can mark here on the 3 you can draw a line. Okay, this type we can draw a line. This line is x greater than equal to 3, so we have to take more than 3 means the arrow we will mark on the right hand side of this line, and this show that x is greater than equal to 3. Now second inequalities is y is greater than equal to 2, so we will mark here on the y greater than 2 means on y equal to 2 we draw a line. This line is y equal to 2 and greater than equal to 2 means this. Okay, now this line this above this y greater than equal to 2. Look here, we have to follow the rules for both the inequalities. This inequality is saying that we have to take above this line, and the first inequality say that this part we have to take. So common part is this portion is common. Okay, so this is the solution, we can say this is the solution. All of you understand this? We have to solve the system of inequalities. First inequality is x plus y greater than 4. Second is 2x minus y is greater than 0. Look here, in these two inequalities, first of all we write the first inequality x plus y is greater than 4, and this we write as a equation x plus y equal to 4. So first of all we find the points. If we put a place of x 0, we get y equal to 4. If we put y equal to 0, we get x equal to 4. If we put x equal to 2, y equal to also we get 2. So these points we get. Now we put here 0, 0. So place of x we put 0 plus 0 is greater than 4. So 0 greater than 4, this is a false. False means the 0, 0 point is not included here. Same as it is second inequality, we have 2x minus y is greater than 0. Here we change first in equation, so we get here this is equal to 0. Now y we transfer y equal to, we get 2x. Now here place of x 0, y equal to 0. Place of x 1, y equal to 2. Place of x 2, y equal to 4. And if we put 0, 0 in inequalities, we get here 2 into 0 minus y means here 0 greater than 0, 0 greater than 0, it is not valid. We got not valid, so we will put here other point. So we can do x 2 minus y 0 is greater than 0 means 4 greater than 0, it is a true, means this point 2 0 is included in the solution. Now we will draw the graph for. We can prepare this graph. On this graph we can check 0 and 4. First point is 0 and 4. So look here, 0 x is 0 and y is 4 means this point we have. Second is 4 0, x is 4 and y 0, we have this point. Here 0 4 is a point and this is b point. C point is 2 2, x is 2 and y is 2, this point. This is C point, and now we will join. And look here, here the inequality is greater than. Greater than means we will join by the line, this type line we will use here. The 0 0 is not in. Look here, this line divide this graph into part, above part or below part. Look here, 0 0 is not included here, we get false, means we will take the opposite side to 0 0. Okay, so these sides we will take, and this inequality is represent the solution x plus y is greater than 4. Second inequality we have 2x minus y is greater than 0. Here place first point is d is 0 0 means this point we have. This is D point. Second is E point is 1 and 2. X is 1 and Y is 2. This is E point, and next is 2 and 4. Okay, this is F point. These points we will join. So this second line inequalities also we will keep a gap, and here this 0 0 is, look here, 0 0 we not consider, we consider a 2 0. 2 0 point is here. This point is not look here, true means this point is include, means we have to take this side region, so we will mark the arrow this side. Okay, now we have to take the both inequalities. So look here, this portion is our solution will be. Now here also we can write this inequality 2x minus y is greater than 0, and this common region is the solution. Okay, so we can write here open region GHB is a solution of these two inequalities. Solve system of inequalities. Here 1 2 3 4 inequalities given. 3x plus 4y is less than equal to 60, and second inequality is x plus 3y is less than equal to 30, and x greater than equal to 0 and y greater than equal to 0. So we take first inequality. Here 3x plus 4y is less than equal to 60. This we write as an equation. So we get 3x plus 4y is equal to 60. Now we will find the points is x and y. Place of x, look here, if we put 0, place of x 0, 4y equal to 60, so y equal to we get 15. Now place of y we put 0, so here is 0 means 3x equal to 60 means x equal to we get 20. Now place of x if we put 10, place of x we put 10, then we get 30, and 30 subtract from here we get 30 means 4y equal to 30, 2y equal to 15, so y equal to 7.5 we get. 4 we put, place of x we put 4, 4 3 are 12, 12 we subtract from here we get 48, and x equal to we get 12. All understand these points we get. Now this we have to mark A, B, C, D. Look here we put 0 0 point. So in inequalities we put 0 0 means get 0 plus 4 into 0 is 0 and less than equal to 60. This is true. Okay. Look here, first of all we prepare this graph. On this graph we can see here the 1 centimeter equal to 10 units we will take. Okay. Now first point is A, and this point is 0 and 15. 0, x is 0, x is 0 and y is 15 means this point we have, this is a point. Second is x is 20 and y is 0. This second point is here, this is B point. Now x is 10 and y is 7.5 means here 5, 6, 7, 7.5. This point we have C. Now we have 4 and 12. X is 4 and y is 12. So 4 and 6 and 12. This 12 points. Okay. These D points and these all points we will join and we get a line. And here this line will be a perfect line because this include equal to also we have here. So this line is we have here. Now it is true. True means the 0 0 also include. We will mark here the arrow. Okay, this mark we will mark the arrow, and this is a AB line. This is a AB line. Look here. Graph of 3x plus 4y is less than equal to 60 is the half of x or y plane which lies below the line AB, and where the 0 0 lie in the region means this region. Okay, below the line AB we have this the solution for the first inequality. Now we will take the second inequality. Is x plus 3y is less than equal to 30, and here this equation will be x plus 3y equal to 30, and for these we will find the. Look here, this is x and y. Place of x, if we put 0, then 3y equal 30 means y equal to 10 we get. Now place of y we put 0, then x equal to we get 30. Place of y, if I put 5, 5 3 is 15, 15 we transfer, we get x equal to 15. So these points, look here, again we have here D, E, F and G, and these points, look here. Now place of x and y put 0 0, then we get here x 0 plus 0 equal less than equal to 30. We get here 0 plus 0 less than 30 means 0 less than equal to 30. This is true. True means here also the 0 0 will be include here. Now this line also we have to mark. So first x is 0 and y is 10. X is 0, y is 10. This point we have. Second is x is 30. X is 30 and y is 0. So this first point is E, and second point is F, and third point is 15. X is 15. X is 15 and y is 5. Y is 5. This point. Okay. So this point is G. These all points we have to join. We will get a line. Here also true means we have to take the downward portion, because in the downward the 0 0 will include here. So we can write here, look here, graph of x plus 3y less than equal to 30 is the half of XOY plane which lies below the line EF. Look here, EF line, this EF line, this below the EF line, this is the region where 0 0 lies in this region. So look here, now two inequalities more remaining, x greater than equal to 0 and y greater than equal to 0. Look here, two inequalities are remaining, x greater than equal to 0 and y greater than equal to 0. These taken together represent the first quadrant, means x greater than 0, y greater than 0 means we can take here as a first quadrant. Okay, so look here, in this graph also we can represent these two. Y greater than 0 means this line will be above this is y greater than equal to 0. Look here, and x greater than 0 means we have this side, this is the x greater than equal to 0, means we can now take the common portion of these all inequalities, and that portion will be, look here, we will take we will take as a the solution. So this is the solution here. All of you understand this? This we can write here. Then here is H, E, H, B and O. Region is solution. Okay, this is region is a solution, and this here we have to solve the system of inequalities. First is x plus 2y is less than equal to 10. Second is here x plus y greater than equal to 1. Third is x minus y is less than equal to 0. And fourth is x greater than equal to 0. And fifth is y greater than equal to 0. This type questions is very important. And look here, this type you will get in your exam also. Now here first of all we will take the first inequality, x plus 2y is less than equal to 10, and this we change in equation, we get x plus 2y equal to 10 we get. Look here, place of x and y we put the value. Place of x if we put 0, y 2y equal to 10 means y equal to 5 we get. Now place of y we put 0, then x equal to 10 we get. Now place of y if I put here 2, place of y if I put 2, 2 to the 4, 4 I subtract from here, I get 6. So these 3 points we get A, B and C. Here also we put 0 0. Place of x we put 0, and place of y also we put 0, means this is less than equal to 10, means 0 less than equal to 10 we get, this is a true. Okay, look here, we will prepare this graph. Here this is x axis and this is y axis. Okay, those 1 centimeter equal to 2 units we will take here. Now first point is 0 and 5, means x is 0 and y is 5. So this point is, this is a point. Second is 10 and 0, x is 10 and y is 0, means we have this point, this is B point. 6 and y is 2. here this point. Okay, this is C. These all points we will join here. So we get a line. Now here true means we will take this line actually divide in two. Look all of you, here this line is AB, represent this x plus 2y less than equal to 10, and below this we take graph of x plus 2y is less than equal to 10 is the half of xy plane which below the line AB where 0 0 include. All of you understand this? Now, second inequality is x plus y is greater than equal to 1. This we write in a equation form, x plus y equal to 1. Here we can write x and y. Place of x, if we put 0 then y equal to 1. If we put y equal to 0, x equal to 1. Place of x, if I put 2, place of x I put 2, then if I transfer 2, y equal to minus 1 I get. And if I put here 0 0, then 0 plus 0 is greater than equal to 1, and 0 greater than equal to 1 means this is a false. Okay, for this we will draw first this line. So look here we will mark the point D, E, F. D point is 0 1, 0 and 1 is here, this is D point. Next is 1 and 0, x is 1 and y 0 means this point is E. Next is F, F is 2, x is 2 and y is minus 1 means this point, this is F, and we join these, we get here one line. Look here, this line we get, and it is false. False means we will not take the region that include the 0 0, means opposite to this line we will take, and here we can write here that x plus y is greater than equal to 1. Look here all of you, we can write here the graph of x plus y greater than equal to 1 is the half of xy plane which above the line DF, this is DF, and where 0 0 not include. In this region the 0 0 is not include, so we take the above the line. Okay. Third inequality is x minus y is less than equal to 0, and this we can write x equal to y. X equal to y means we can put the equal value of x and y. If we put place of x2, y equal to also 2, place of x3, then y equal to also 3, x equal to 4, then y equal to also 4. So these points we can mark here h, I and j. Okay, these point we have to mark, and here also we can put 0 0. If we put 0 0 means we get 0 minus 0 less than equal 0, it is not valid, so we put other point, so we put here 2 0 point. Okay, if we put here 2 0 means 2 minus 0 less than equal to 0 means 2 less than equal to 0, this is a false. Okay, so we will take the region where this 2 0 is not include. So we will mark these first points here. This first point is h, that is 2 2, x is 2 and y is 2, this point is 3 3, this is I point, and next is j 4 4 4 and 4, this point, and this is we have j point. Now we will join these all points. So this is a inequalities, and on this 2 0 is this point, and this should not include that we take region. So we will take the above the lines we will take here. So we can write here. So we can write here the graph of x minus y is less than equal to 0 is the half of xy plane which lie above the line hj, above the line hj, this above the line we take, where 2 0 is not include, 2 0 point is not include here, so we take this portion. Look here, inequalities x greater than equal to 0 and y greater than 0 represent the first quadrant. Here above this is y greater than equal to 0, and here is x greater than equal to 0 we can take. This is x greater than equal to 0. So look here, the common region is here. You can identify that we have to mark all the inequalities. This above the inequalities, this above the inequalities, below the inequalities, right hand side to inequalities, means we have this region. This region is the solution. Okay, so close region A, this is A, then D, then here we can mark here P, then here we can mark here R is solution. All understand? This is the solution.